Okay, what are you working on today? Okay, so it sounds like you've got a clear idea of what you're working on. I have like a few different things because I'm meeting all my supervisors this evening at 5. Yeah, so I'm gonna basically I'll put this on, it'll be for 25 minutes. I'm gonna mute myself while it's on just so that then we can be working and not like distracting each other, and then after that we'll do like a 5-minute break so we can go back to chatting, and then we'll swap, we'll keep going, then we'll do it like 4-ish times and hopefully we'll get loads of good work done. So I do feel like today has been a pretty good day, all things considered. I feel like going out for that walk this morning. You would have seen my video yesterday talking about like lacking motivation, and I had some of this morning in that vlog just to sort of follow on. And I had a great time today, doing the co-working with one of you. So that really was motivational to get some stuff done that I've been putting off, such as just finalizing the slides for a group project, which are now done. And at the moment, I'm just working on a practice presentation that I need to present to my supervisors in the next hour. It's one that if I'm allowed to do my stage 2 transfer, that's what I'll be presenting next Friday to the transfer assessment. I want to do a full video on that in a little while. Basically, once I know I'm going to be going for the transfer, I'll do that, because I feel like it's very different in different universities and it might be interesting to see what the assessment is like for me and what I've been doing to prepare for it. So essentially, once I have all that together, I will do that. But at the moment, I'm just sort of doing a practice presentation and I definitely am feeling good. I'm looking forward to this meeting being over just because I feel a bit stressed about it, about what the outcome is going to be. I think today has been a good day despite only starting work at 1 o'clock. I do think I needed that time off this morning. It'll be nice to sort of finish up all of my different assignments that I have going on, as well as hopefully getting this transfer done. It would be a really nice way to end the year, and that it would mean I'd be fresh to start on new projects, and that's something I'd love to take you guys along with me to do, to starting off a new project and how I kind of do that. I think that would be fun, but this is just something I'm trying to get done first. I just finished my meeting with my research panel, which is my 2 supervisors and then the 3 other panel members, one of which is the panel chair. There's only 4 of them there today, but essentially they're meant to sort of guide my research throughout the 4 years. The meeting today was deciding if I should go ahead with my stage 2 transfer, which I've been doing the transfer report for these couple weeks. That's why I'm bright red after it, always after a Zoom call. And they did decide that I can progress to do the stage 2 transfer. So that means on Tuesday I will be submitting all my documents, and then on Friday I will have the assessment interview. And now that it's real, I'm oh gosh, now I actually have to do that, which is scary. And they were saying, there could be some potential problems insofar as, my research questions. There's a lot of them because of the type of data we have, the kind of interesting problems we could work on. So there is a lot, and they were just saying it could be the case that the transfer assessment people tell me to come back and, when I've narrowed my focus a little bit. So they just kind of were talking me through that and grilling me a little bit, but in a good way, so that it means I'll be more prepared for the actual transfer talk, kind of questions that they would ask. At least I got a chance to kind of go through some of those with not only my supervisors, but other supervisors that I don't usually get the chance to talk to as much. So it was really good. Again, I do want to do a full video on this, but I think it'd be better for me to do it after my transfer meeting, because I do know it's different in different universities, and yeah, I think that might be a good thing to do. Let me know if you guys would prefer I do one right before I submit everything and then after after, I suppose, when I find out the results. Let me know what way you would prefer, because I suppose I'm sharing everything as much as I can with you. And I think already I'm glad that I did that internship video the other day, because I feel like next time I have an interview for an internship, I'll be able to look at that video and remind myself the probable questions I'm going to be asked. Now though, it is a little after 6. I want to do a bit of prep for a presentation that I have in the morning. I just want to do it like once or twice, just so that I feel comfortable going into tomorrow. Then I'll be just chilling out for the evening. It's 9 p.m. and I'm going to bed now because I deserve to go to bed. I had a long day, even though half of it was chill. I still had like a big meeting with my supervisors and everyone, and you know, it went well. I'm happy with it, but I'm exhausted and I just want to go to bed. So that is what I'll do. I barely vlogged at all today, but tomorrow I have like more of a fun day planned for myself. You'll all be excited to know. I have lots of nice things planned for myself because I planned essentially to take tomorrow off, because basically on all day on Fridays I have classes, literally 10 till 1 and 2 to 5. So I never really get much actual work done since I have 6 hours of classes. But tomorrow my second class was cancelled, and my first class I have a presentation, and our presentation is on first, which means I'm basically finished tomorrow at like 10:30. But I would have been in classes all day, which means I can have this time off, I feel, because it would have been spent in class. And I also feel like I really need this, because I imagine that Sunday, Monday, possibly some of Tuesday, I'll have a final push for this transfer documents, which I see some of you guys asking about it in the comments. I'm going to do a video on Sunday all about what the transfer is. It's probably not something that necessarily exists in your university, but you might have something similar. So I'm going to do a video all about how I have prepared for it on Sunday. Like, it'll be up on Sunday. For now though, I am going to sleep. I hope you enjoyed these chit chat essentially videos this week. Very little actual vlogging. Hard to know what actually constitutes vlogging, but I'm impressed with myself that I've been able to go whatever it is now, 10 something days in a row of uploads. I hope you're all proud of me. I'm proud of me. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Thank you to my wonderful members, and I will see you all in the next video.